You wake up each day believing the world around you is solid. That space is vast. That reality stretches outward in 3 dimensions: height, width, depth, unshakable and real. But what if all of this is not what it seems? What if the universe is not a grand physical stage, but something closer to a cosmic illusion, a projection from a deeper, hidden layer of reality? This is the idea behind the holographic universe, not a metaphor, not a thought experiment, but a serious scientific possibility. It suggests that everything we touch, feel, love, fear, and remember, every galaxy, every atom, every breath, may be the shadow of information stored on a surface we cannot see. A 3-dimensional world generated from a 2-dimensional boundary, a universe that behaves like a hologram. To understand this, we must go to the edges of the universe, to a place where light bends, time slows, and the laws of physics reveal their secrets. The event horizon of a black hole. Black holes are the universe's vaults. Nothing escapes them. Not stars, not planets, not even light. But in the 1970s, physicists noticed a paradox. When matter falls into a black hole, information shouldn't be lost. The universe doesn't allow information to simply vanish. So where does it go? The answer shocked everyone. The information isn't destroyed. It spreads across the surface of the black hole, like data etched on a cosmic film. The interior of the black hole isn't where the information lives. It's encoded on the edge, the outside, the boundary, a 3D volume described entirely by a 2D surface. And if this is true for black holes, why not for the entire universe? What if the cosmos itself works the same way? What if everything we experience in 3D is encoded in 2D on the boundary of reality? It would mean that the world we walk through, the space we occupy, is not fundamental. It is emergent, like the image in a hologram, real to perception, but born from information stored elsewhere. This doesn't make your life fake. It makes reality deeper than we thought. A hologram is not illusion. It is structure, just structure expressed differently. You are real. Your feelings are real. Your love is real. But the medium through which they arise may not be what it looks like. Physics has always hinted that reality is coded. Particles behave like bits, flipping states, storing information. The universe has rules, patterns, symmetries, the signature of computation. Space behaves like a fabric. Time behaves like a direction. Matter is condensed energy. Energy is quantized information. We are swimming in organized data, and we only perceive one version of it. Consider memory, thought, identity. Your sense of self is not stored in the physical shape of your brain. It's stored in the patterns of neurons firing, in the network of information they exchange. You are not your body. You are the information your body carries. If the holographic principle is true, the universe works the same way. Reality is not the shape of things. It is the information behind those shapes. Space is not empty. It is structured, encoded, like the surface of a cosmic hard drive. The stars are not scattered randomly. They are arranged in a way that preserves information. The universe remembers itself, and consciousness, your awareness, is the part of reality that reads that information and experiences it. This means your perception is not just observation, it is participation. You help decode the hologram. Your senses translate something abstract into something living. When you touch a hand, you are feeling information processed into sensation. When you gaze at the sky, you are reading the universe's surface projection, translated by your brain into depth, distance, and color. Reality feels solid because your mind interprets it that way. But solidity is not fundamental. It is sensation layered onto energy. The world is not physical in the way we once believed. It is informational. And yet, this does not make life smaller. It makes it larger. If the universe is a hologram, then every point contains the whole. Every moment contains meaning. Every one of us is woven from the same underlying code. We are variations of a cosmic pattern expressing itself through time. You are not separate from the universe. You are one of the ways it displays itself, one of the expressions through which it becomes aware. The holographic universe suggests something profound. You are not in the universe. You are of it, a projection of the same underlying origin that forms galaxies and neurons alike. When you feel wonder, you are the universe remembering its depth. When you love, you are the universe recognizing itself in another form. When you dream, you are the universe imagining new ways to unfold. Your existence is not an accident. It is an expression. Even if reality is a projection, the experience is real. Pain is real. Joy is real. Connection is real. Meaning is not diminished. It is revealed. The universe is not something happening to you. It is something happening through you. A hologram is not less than real. It is a reminder that reality is layered, mysterious, deeper than our senses. And one day, we may learn to read the source of that projection, to look beyond the image into the code. Until then, we live inside the masterpiece, a living hologram of possibility, a universe unfolding itself through the eyes of those who can see.